children. How are you all? Today we are going to activity that is making sentences with action. Making sentences with action easily. Are you ready for this game? Shall we start? Okay. Again.